Hello, everybody. Greetings from the Southern Hemisphere. We're having the coldest, wettest summer in history. Just a reminder that global warming does not mean local warming. Anyway, in the previous episode, we had a look at Datai Meister, which was available from the BSly repository. And I thought, but we have one or two other uh, you know, alternative uh, file managers, don't we? Well, let's have a look. Okay, I was wrong. All right, so let me start off by saying I rarely use any of these, right? Because I love Tracker. And so one of the things that I'm going to be looking for is how well they integrate with Tracker. So can it be used not as a standalone thing, but in a way that integrates into the Haiku desktop? Now you'll see them all at the bottom, the ones I've been able to find, and a lot of them seem to be called something Commander. That's because they all date back to the original Norton Commander, which was written by a guy called John Socha in, let's see, 1984, back in the DOS era. And that was actually brought out by a company called Peter Norton Computer. Same guy who brought us the same company that brought us the Norton Utilities, Norton Antivirus. I think they might still be around, but they're a shadow of their former self. Back in the DOS days, Norton was big. So, from that basic template of Norton Commander came this kind of file manager. Generally, there are two panes, and you can move files between them. So today we're going to have a look at some Haiku native apps. Let's have a look. The first one's called BAFX. Hello. There we go. And so you can see it's the usual sort of thing. All right. Let's see if, where are we? We're on home. All right. So let's go to the desktop. All right. Can we create a new file? Can we right click here? No. So boot. Where's home? There we go. And let's go to desktop. Downloads, anything there? Yeah. Okay, let's take this file and move it to the desktop. Well, we can only copy. Hello. Oh, how do we mark? Let's double click it. No. Space, and then copy. And okay, I am not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Is it underneath this? Nope. Okay, it looks like nobody's been working on BAFX for a while, and it's quite limited in its functionality. So I can't recommend this one. Right, next one is called BFAR. Okay, that looks more like it. Starts off in home in both cases. Desktop. Alright. Desktop. Downloads. Right, and take this file, move it to the desktop. Okay, so let's see if the function keys work first. 5. And okay, it looks like I have to hold down function and F5. No, that didn't work. However, let's just click on this. Ah, that's more like it. And there it is. Okay, so they haven't managed to make the function keys work. Still, okay, there's no, okay, here's a menu. Let's have a look at that. Okay, show hide icons. Okay, not too bad. Any way to show hidden files? I don't see it. Okay, so there's your settings for the left pane and there's for the right pane. So yeah, if you like this sort of thing, then this can work for you. Okay, let's get rid of that menu and exit. Yes. Okay, the final one for today is Genesis Commander. Okay, starting to look familiar by now, I'm sure. All right. Let's see. Boot, home, desktop, downloads, tab to the other side. Okay, let's try the same thing. Let's try F5, does nothing. Function F5, yeah. Okay, the function keys work on this one. Because I'm running this in a VM, I have to hold down function to get at the function keys, you know, the FN key. And there it is. Okay, what happens if we left click? Nah, nothing. Okay, so the usual sort of thing. You can view, you can edit. You know, the edit thing probably only works for pure text files. Right, make a directory, you can delete. Oh, let's use that. Yep. Okay, so here is your menu. It's on permanently, so it doesn't need a separate menu button at the bottom. You can set some preferences. You can swap the panels. That's a common feature as well. Okay, so that is Genesis Commander. So of these three, I'd say give BAFX a miss. It's too limited. But the other two can be used. They're functional programs. So in the next exciting episode, we will be looking at these three at the bottom here: Dolphin Crusader, PCFM, PC Man FM. And you'll see that they are quite advanced. Well, let me not get ahead of myself. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you soon.